On Wednesday, August 28, 2024, the All Progressive Congress APC Campaign Council starts one big rally for key areas inside the Ikpoba Okha and Oredo local government areas for Benin City. Them do this rally to raise awareness and gather support for the party's gubernatorial candidates. The campaign starts for Upper Mission Extension near Aduawa Aziz and can move through places like Tomatoes Market, Kara Market, Agbado Market, Forestry, Cook Road, Ikpoba Road, New Market, Ogiso, and finish for Igu Road inside Oredo local government area. For some stop, Senator Adams Oshomole Konya, the residents say the APC candidates go bring practical leadership wey go focus on state development and people welfare. The community they engage with them as many people they excited as them they try to grab the party's branded souvenirs like caps and aprons.
With your support, under God, I was governor here for 8 years. Permission. Did I not construct it? That is about 12 years ago. Even you as a human being, if you don't eat, you don't maintain yourself, you get headache, you don't go hospital, person don't go die. What is paining me is that you look at the drainage. Can you see the drainage? You see the walkway. There is drainage under it. Government is supposed to desilt, remove the dirt inside, so that the water can flow. When I was here, was the water not flowing? Now, from one crack, you can see now we are in a pool of water. Where is the governor? Is he on duty? No. Is the governor on duty? No. Because I saw that people say, our road, our road, our road. I hope you remember, in 2020, I tell the people say, when your pikin fail for primary school, for God's sake, no waste your money, carry go secondary. And when I talk about they brought tribalism, they say, I want to control him. Which can control? Everybody know that the Obaseki failed in his first 4 years. But they brought Togba. I say, I supported Obaseki in 2016 because me and BT say, he work with me, he goes and be work. But when I see say, you only come to, I said, the man we are to recommend you, we change him. So, now you can see, after Togba, he was re-elected. Is he not supposed to come and clean this drainage? Yeah. Is he not supposed to come and patch this road? Yeah. How much money will it take to resurface this road? How much money? The man just decided to continue to embezzle and take away the resources. Today, across Benin land, this is the Gelegele port. Rain is not falling now, you have this water. If rain begin fall, what will happen? So all you are doing, if you watch out for television now, he will tell you a GDP don't go. We have done this, we have done that. But on ground, you will not see anything. Everything you are doing is paperwork. To collect money from federal government, to collect money from World Bank, he has been borrowing, but you can see the condition of your road. This one is not as bad though. The one I saw yesterday when I was going to anybody who is not a devil, we cry for those people living on that road. You cannot even stand where you are standing. It was all flood. Is the governor on holiday? Is government on holiday? What about the money he's collecting? When I was here, our monthly allocation no part 3 billion. Today, Obaseki is collecting 12 billion every month. What is he doing with it? What is he doing with it? Nothing. So we have learned our lesson. Now I've also learned my lesson. To blow grammar, wear double-breasted coat. Not be we need now. When I was here, Nobody can doubt that as a governor I can afford a suit. But I wear khaki because with khaki I can go under the sun. I can start project. I can hug women. I can carry children. That is the kind we want now. We don't want prophets who will come and blow grammar. Growing up, I walk on the street of Nigeria. I walk on the street of Lagos. I walk on Calabar. I walk on Benin Street. I went to Osadebe Avenue. I walked there without knowing I will ever be governor. So if you don't have a good heart, governors not be grammar. It is about your heart. Do you care? Do you have sympathy for the poor? Even sympathy for the rich? Because if you go to GRA, it's even worse than this one though. The road to government house is as bad. So what happened to EDO allocation? So when they say bad government, we must put an end to Obaseki and that's why Godalo's bad government. Now, that's why Godalo is going to tell you he's different from Obaseki. He's not. Because now he be chairman of Alago Daro. Una don't watch them for television. So, if you get a motor mechanic, you know, there is a spanner called 11 and 13. One side be 11, the other side are 13. But the spanner are the same.
Exactly.
So, it's one leprous hand with two leprous fingers. One finger is Obaseki, the other leprous finger is Aswa Igodaro. All of them are people deceive people. Remember, in 2008, when I was campaigning, I said in this state, I don't care about Nigeria. Because every politics is local. Now from state, you go Abuja. I said, people deceive people has never done anything in Edo State. They said there was no money. Edo is a civil service state. Are you civil servants? No. Are you civil servants? No. But when I came, I did all the job I did, including this road. And pains me that Obaseki could not maintain this road. Even what I'm wearing, if you get job, I'll go to a tailor and patch it. If I leave it, after the time, the whole shape will be gone. Don't you patch your own clothes?
Yes, sir.
There is nothing made by man, even the one made by God like us. We go to hospital where we start noticing that some part of the body is aching. If you leave it like that, the person will die prematurely. So why will he allow a road like this? But as I said, this is even good compared to the other one. But now, there is no need to debate whether Obaseki has misgoverned Edo State. I think that fact is known to you more than me. So, we are now bringing a practical person. No grammar. Work. Governor, work. No more MOU. No more consultants. All the road we have built for Benin, they were done by Edo contractors. So all the schools, when you give those schools to Edo people to do, the money will circulate in Edo State. But when you are not with those schools, local mechanic no will get work. Local carpenter no will get work. You they supply whatever you are selling. You can't sell if people have no money to buy. So I stopped here because I saw those young men. They were worried, they are angry about the caution of this road. I said, okay, they need to know the cause of the problem. If I build this road from scratch, how come that Obaseki could not even maintain it? You buy a car for your son, just to change the oil filter, he wouldn't change it. To change the engine oil, he wouldn't change it until the car knock. Is that not common sense? So I will ask you, do you vote another Obaseki back in Edo State? That for me is the message. Because you supported me, many of you voted for me twice. In 2012, I won all the 18 local government. I cannot act on my people. You are my people. You were nice to me. And I am pained that Obaseki has destroyed the state. So now we are bringing somebody who is going to be a practical man. That road is bad, doesn't need to be a professor. So this man is a simple man. He can connect with you. His name is Okpebholo. Talking to union members is as good as talking to union leaders. I'm a union man. So he will repair these roads. More importantly, we must decide to reduce erosion. Where water flow, water must flow to gutter and take it to the moat. Those is the design that we made. Are you satisfied now? Will you return Obaseki or Obaseki's uncle back to government? So I want, as they say, listen, I want this man to talk with your mouth. Koro koro eye, you look in eye, you look your eye. So that he will not repeat the mistake of Obaseki. If I didn't work in Benin, I cannot come here. Have you seen Obaseki campaigning? Because if Obaseki entered the road, they go stone him. The evil that men do live after them. Many days for the thief, 1 day for the house. September 21st is for the owner of the land. And that is the end of the bad government of Obaseki, Godwin, Aswa Kotaro. Let's not make mistake again. Ya kafa company, ya aiki a wuri kuma ana ya taimake shi. Saboda haka muna roƙe Allah ya taimake ku wannan kasa. Komi yaya abin da za mu yi a wani wuri dole a yi shi a nan. A gyara hanya, a kawo wuta, a kawo ruwa, a kafa makaranta. Yaya ku su je makaranta ko ba haka ba? Saboda iyaya su je makarata gobe yaro na fama mai sai da nama zai ya zama medical doctor, zai ya zama engineer, zai ya zama president na kasa ko ba haka ba? Saboda haka mun gode muku.
Senator Monday Okpebholo, the APC gubernatorial candidate, can talk say if they may elect him as governor, he go remove ticketing practices and provide interest-free loans to marketers as long as they fit fund cooperative societies.
I want to thank all of you for coming out to see us and to hear us. I want to thank you for the interest you have for Edo. I am coming to work for you people. Why I am contesting is to make sure that all the injustice that is done in our land is reversed. And God will be good again. All this gutter, all this road, we will fix everything. Our schools, we will fix them back. Insecurity will be a thing of the past in our land. Hospital, we are going to revive our hospital back and build new hospitals. Let me also let you that agriculture, we are going to provide them, the farmers, with fertilizers. We are going to give them loan. Market women, we are going to give you soft loan without interest. We will make sure that life is good again. We will not steal your money like they are doing now. They have taken a lot of money out of this land. Before, government of Edo State, all the governors, about 5 or 6 governors that have ruled Edo State, the debt that we own in this land is 43 billion. Do you know how much is still today? Obaseki government alone borrow over 500 billion. What did they do with the money? Nothing. Nothing to show for it. So we are coming to serve the people. We are coming to interact with the people. We are coming to solve the people's problem. Government of Obaseki, they are liars. They even told you people on social media that I don't know how to talk. You understand? So the people that are lying, a a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, a man who could negotiate between Okpebholo to Benin for federal government to come and do our road. Federal government approved that road for 130 billion. Dual carriage with street light at the middle. It has never been done. A man who could do that, they are telling you that he doesn't know how to talk. Am I not talking to you? Sister, am I not talking to you? Brother, am I not talking to you? They are deceivers. They are liars. They are deceivers. Bye bye to Jadi. Bye bye to Jadi. Bye bye to Amoyo. Bye bye to Amoyo. Bye bye to Disiva. Bye bye to Disiva. Welcome back. I thought with progress. I thought we progress this time around. We will revive our industries. We will revive everything that is not working in this land that's supposed to be working. We will bring water back. We will bring our life back. Good things will begin to happen. God bless all of us.
The campaign also gets support from other big names like the Director General of the campaign, Senator Matthew Rohide, Minister of Niger Delta Affairs Abubakar Momo, and some Igbo chieftain will also contribute to the day's activities as they address the crowd.
Thank you. Now first I want to thank all of you. Many times you don't come here. This good road. We are familiar with you now. We don't go campaign here many times and don't give us support. But thank God we never fail you now. This one, the government, the governor that is to be, that we will vote for on the 21st. He don't talk to now. All of us will follow and come here. Now the people want to know. And the people want to know. And I want to tell you people, that when we came here before we made a promise, today, that borrow that get there, I come put here for you. Because I promise I will do it, I don't fulfill it. Me, not ordinary lawmaker, talk like when governor come. Not say go do pass. He not go do pass. Now, we get another guarantor here. The Minister for Niger Delta Affairs this year. He come all the way from EDO. He want to assure and guarantee our candidate. Comrade and our former governor. He dey here to assure and guarantee our candidate. Our candidate different from their own. Their own are artificial intelligence. Then they tell they call her AI, artificial intelligence. We don't know for anybody will be artificial now, original. Now our candidate be. So I beg 21st of September, vote for APC. If you vote for APC, you are voting for Senator Okpebholo. You are voting for Right Honorable Dennis Idausa. So first, then we call to the chairman, make talk to them for 2 minutes before we go.
Senator Okpebholo Okpebholo will hold them responsible. Okpebholo will hold them responsible. Manata, Onya Malcolm Jabuno, Onya will tested and trusted. Onya cousin has to know Onya, all Basicona show. Who know where clocks? If you don't put up a pocket, you have to put up a pocket. Emma Ibonya, Emma, Ibonya Bini, Ibonya Dostet, this is never so that it's in the game over them. Unpassable. Never unpassable. Emma Gabayaka, the best lasses, I can't buy Gabayaka, the best lasses. We are going to support APC.
No one never enter parties. Anything what I want to do for Auchi, now here will come back. Majority of the people went there here. na my customer. The message wey we bring come for na today. Na the person wey we wan go for on the 21st. I wan take God beg una. As una make it a point of duty to come out during the last election and voted for Peter Obi, make una come out and vote for Monday Okpebholo, because he's the APC person that can take us to the destination we want. The other candidate, whether Ibokaro and the other one, they are not candidates. I tell una one thing: if pikin go school and he fail, if the principal agree, he go say repeat. No be so? If he fail a second time, wetin dem go do am? Dem go withdraw the pikin for school. Now, Obaseki for the first time he fail. No be so? Second time he fail. Third time he wan fail. He say he go bring somebody. Person wey no dey like that. Una go gree? Una go gree? So to that very extent, I want you people to know that APC now be the candidate and the person is Monday Okpebholo, original. He will work like our gang work.
Marketers and residents for their talk with Tori people come talk say dem dey hope say the campaign promises go come true, especially the one wey go ease their economic problems.
We are not looking at the name. We are looking for who is coming, who will change the name, who will change everything. Not the name we are looking at. The rest is cause it's not APC. It's not Okpebholo that caused it. Okpebholo did not cause it. So we are voting him. We are going to vote him. He's going to be our next governor. This is our new market. Yes, so we want him to build these new markets for us because we are suffering very much. When rain is falling, he will fall on top us. When sun comes, it will dry us. So if he's able to build the market for us, we'll be very grateful to him. Apart from the market, everything. If you buy all the enter, I know it's going to change everything. Everything is going to come down.
Okpebholo, you don't need market as they speak now. So with Oshomole, they're there here. So what thing we want for the governor may they do for us? Not be this one that they can pay up and down, not be that one we want it. The next one we want it. Today I me bearers 95,000 today. Or gallon of 25 liters of Oredo 40,000. For the one we see they sleep and beg with the beg of Okpebholo. If you know because now you go feel go as a rock, we know they go there. What say we not I don't stay they hungry. I don't stay they hungry. No be say we don't vote Okpebholo finish now. Tomorrow he go say we go pay the corporate ticket. The corporate ticket come out.
Make una not forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.